welcome to myToyS TV. What am I opening today? These remind me of giftems. Let's open them and see first. I think we have to open some girls. Let's do some magic. Close your eyes. Whee! I have magic. I have some giftems today.
Where are they from? Greeks? And what?
Greeks and
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Okay. Okay. Yay.
And a surprise. I'm just
Surprise,
back.
surprise.
Where this girl, the surprise girl from Asia, from America, from Europe, or Africa, or Australia, I don't know.
Okay, let's open it, baby.
You want to make a guess?
Sure, I think it's from a cat.
It's a serious run, right? Give them serious run. You have a lot of give them already, right?
Right.
Check out others'
Where is
old
it?
videos. We got some old
We
videos.
got some new baby flyers.
Yes, Friday. I guess you see it already, so we don't need to show it to you again.
Her hair's short. Her hair is very short, guys.
Yeah.
So nice. I popped it out. Her hair is very short. Look at this little girl. They're only girls. They're not boys.
She is from Greeks.
If you are a boy and you're watching this video, you can find some girls that you're in love with. And I'll give it to you if you want to. Oh, I forgot to get the present.
Hey guys, you see the background? The backdrop? It's a Tokyo. You see the Tokyo Tower.
And it must look sick. Wait, I have to put the girl on the stage.
From Athens, Greek. I'm sure you get to see the surprise one.
Okay, now let's close her back up.
I'm gonna close the box.
Bye-bye. Now we have 4. Let's open the mid. It's emojis. Where does emojis come from?
I don't know. But anyway, unpack it fast.
We need to know where she's. Oh, it's a new girl. She's from Germany.
Are you sure?
Because her dress is like.
You see the box. You check out the box.
Where's it?
Oh, the box is here.
Okay. Okay.
The box got a flag, right?
It is from Germany.
You sure?
Let's see if here has some.
Yeah, it's from Berlin. You said it's from Germany, Berlin. Have you been to Germany, Berlin?
A lot of time. Oh, she has pink and purple hair at the same time.
Have you been to Germany before?
Yes, I said. I already said a lot of times yes. Look at her hair. It's so pretty.
Yeah, so cool.
Two-tone color. I just said she's from Germany and she has sparkles all over her dress or pants.
Oh, okay. Good.
Germany.
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 You speak some Deutsch?
Italy.
Can you speak some Deutsch?
Okay, look.
Yeah, good.
La 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 la. Let's close her up. Let's move on to.
Put them in the box forever.
I just said it is from Germany. And he said, really? And I said, yes. Because her dress is that the Germany flag speak color.
And the last one is what? From Puerto Rico. You know, Puerto Rico is part of United States. It's a United States territory.
Okay, look, it's pretty.
Yeah, she's so pretty as you can.
As pretty as you can imagine. As pretty pretty as you can imagine it.
Can I see the box?
Okay, now let's close up 2.
Yeah.
Now I have a game for you guys to
What
play.
kind of game do you have?
I'm gonna switch these up.
You want
And
to play
then-
some magic?
You guys have to guess which 3 of them have I opened today. Is 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Type 3 numbers. This is 1, or 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Comment down below. If you need more time, you can pause the video. If you did not know how to pause the video, ask your parents to help you. Or if you're already a parent, you can ask some other parent. Okay, now we gotta go. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. See you next time.